Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something fun, something exciting, something I've been waiting to do for a while. And here we are again with my husband, okay? So I am going to be putting a hairpiece on his lovely bald head. So yeah, as you guys can see over here, he has absolutely no hair over here. Well, little pieces, but we are going to be putting a hairpiece, or I'm going to be putting a hairpiece. So if we come around this way, super bad, there's nothing there. So I'm going to be putting a hairpiece. Let me show you guys what hairpiece I have. So I got this hairpiece from SE Wigs. Just want to say that this is not sponsored at all. I actually just bought this on my own because I wanted to give him new hair. I have never used this hair system before, so I have no idea what I'm doing really. So, you know, my little guinea pig. So this is the hair. This is the hair that I got. I'm going to be gluing it onto his hair, or to his head here. I got my little adhesive that I'm going to use to glue on his head. And I also got some wig tape over here. So it's going to go on. It's going to go on like this. There! So we're like the same hair. So what I'm gonna do is so that I know that I have the right shape here, because this part has to reach the back of the crown of his head, chin down, like right here. This little rounded part right here. As you see the little soup there, the little crown area. So this part has to sit nicely on the crown, and it's gonna come over to the front hairline. But I feel like it's going to be too short, but we'll see. And I'm going to blend everything here. I'm going to take my clippers and blend everything. So let's go. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace this on a piece of paper so that I can trace the shape on his hair. Because apparently, if I put the glue and the wig on, if it's not right, if it's not like properly aligned, then I can't do anything about it because it's going to stick there, and he has to live with like uneven placement. So I gotta make sure that this is gonna be even around his head. So I'm gonna trace it on a piece of paper, and then I'm going to shave this part even more bald so that it's a clean surface for me to work on to apply the glue and then the hairpiece on. So I'll be back. Okay, so what I did was I traced a little headpiece, the shape of the toupee. Like this part right here, I traced it onto the paper. Well, I traced it onto the paper, and what I did was I traced the shape of it on his head, and then I made some markings. You put your head down here, I don't know if you can see, but I put some dots. So that outline is going to be what I'm going to cut out. So I'm gonna like shave off any hair that's inside the lines there, or the dots there, because we need a clean bald surface to put the hairpiece on. So I got my clippers ready, and I'm gonna shave that section here. So can't really see it, but I just put some dots there, so I'm going to give him a nice clean shave. Measure. Make sure that I got the right amount of hair off. I'll use this too. So I'm just gonna go and wash his scalp off to make sure that it's clear of any kind of oils. Then I'm going to place the glue and the wig on. So before I put the glue on his head, I'm just gonna add some of the wig adhesives. So I have these tapes right here, and I'm just gonna stick them along the edges of the wig so that he has extra security when it comes to the wig being on his head. So the glue plus adhesive, it should be able to stay on a little bit longer. Just want to say that I'm not a professional in any way with these men hair pieces. I've never done it before, it's my first time. So I'm just hoping it turns out good. So we've got the glue here. These are the adhesives and they're double-sided. I'm just gonna stick them along the sides or the edges of the hairpiece. So just put it along the sides of the wig and I'll just take out the other side of the tape once I put it on his head. I'm gonna use the Ghost Bond XL glue, bonding adhesive, to put on his head. So with this glue, I think you gotta put 4 coats on before you put the actual hairpiece on. So according to what it says online, apply 4 thin coats of Ghost Bond XL to the scalp, keeping the same quantity of the adhesive with each coat. Put each coat on as soon as the previous coat turns clear, around 20 seconds. Once the 4th coat is applied, wait 7 minutes for Ghost Bond XL to completely cure, then press the hair system into place. We're gonna put 1 thin coat on his head. Here goes nothing. I'm gonna use this little sponge brush here. Spread it on. I want all the glue on really good. Here goes nothing. If I mess up, then I'm screwed. I'm scared to mess up. So this part, okay, here goes nothing. As I place it on, I'm going to wiggle it back and forth. Not wiggle it back and forth, but smooth it. Push it. To cut off the lace. We'll cut that off once it's on. Okay, hold this. Oh wow.
Yeah.
What? What?
Look at your father.
How long are you keeping that on for?
Oh wow. Need some more glue here.
That looks so weird.
Why is it weird? Oh guys, this is the hair system on his head. It's pretty secure, right? You don't feel like it's going anywhere. I also cut the lace that was sticking out on the edges here, so now it kind of looks like his hairline. You can still see a little bit here, but I'm gonna probably fix that later once I finish cutting the hair. So when we put the hair back, this is what it looks like. So I mean, it's not completely centered, which is fine because everyone's hairline's not always perfect. So we got a man bun going on. We can rock the man bun. Oh, it's too much of a man bun. Let's see. that. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this hair of his. I'm going to give him a nice clean fade and cut the top off, and we'll reveal the brand new Roque. So let's take a look at what you look like before. That's actually it looks nice. It's like a nice angle. No, I'm just saying like for women's hair. Okay, are you ready to see the reveal of the new and improved Rocky? Bam! 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 Thank you, ma'am. Look at this. Whole new person. Like, how do you feel? How do you feel, darling?
Feel good. Boggy.
Poggy, what the heck? Well, see, there you go. Like this side, just it goes well this way. I mean, you can flip it that way, but I feel like it looks more natural this way. Do a little spin around. Give him a little fade over there, low fade. I mean, I'm not like a professional men's hair cutter or anything like that, but you know, I feel like it doesn't look too bad. Yo. Like this needs to go.
Everything's still hanging.
Yeah, well, you can fix that with some styling, but you know, it's all in there, you guys. So,
How about the front? Can you tell that it's fake?
well, if you don't really look at it. Okay, you just messed up my style. It's not bad. Maybe if it was, I'll have to fix like this part here, but it's not too bad. Not too bad. So this is the men's system. You guys check it out before and after. Now he's gonna play around with how to style his hair because it's been a while since he had hair to style, but he looks like a totally different person. Thanks for watching, guys.